hormones. Turn the level way up till it's high volts. We gon' light them up.
When the skies are falling, hear the heroes calling. Can't hold us down, can't hold us down. Save the ones still crawling. Hit me hard, I'm all in. Can't hold us down, can't hold us.
Wake your ass up, because it's time to go beast mode.
No pain, no gain. What? You don't get after it. Be harder, better, stronger. Move a whole lot faster with urgency. Can't be average with the skills, gotta master it. I must be cut from a different club, never seen my fabric. You said it was leg.
Tom, you came here to get results. It's time to push your body past your limitations. Cause excuses don't burn calories. Time to kill some fat. You gotta take care of your body because it's the only one you got. Don't you give up on me. Master your mindset and you'll master your body. Of course.
Ooh, don't let a lock stop you. Downtown shut down, you know where to go. It's the same damn numbers on the curb on the road. Better run every red on your way to me. I'll be sitting here sipping on Tennessee. If I ain't there by the second knock.
From the cannons, when the smoke clears, we're still standing. Yes, we stand our ground. Fire from the cannons, when the smoke clears.
When the odds up, tell me what I can't do. In a Birmingham, I'll paint you. I've overdosed on reality, haunted by the sounds of people who used to laugh at me. The world couldn't break me. The cold couldn't shake me. The preacher man couldn't save me. This is how God made me.
I got the heat coming in hard, pull out the flame, ready to spark, turn up the beat, tear it apart, tear off the leash. I'm in the yard, I hit them hard, 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 I hit them hard. Driving the level, I'm burning the street. Life is a gamble, it's you or it's me. I won't take a L anytime I compete. I am the one that you never will be.
Give me that